In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages in Slack and clean up your workspace. Let's start with the quickest task, deleting a message. When you're in a conversation and you see a message you want to remove, move your mouse over that message. A small toolbar will appear to the right. Click the three dots icon, often labeled More Actions. From the menu that opens, choose Delete Message. Slack will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove it. Click to confirm, and the message will be deleted from the conversation. Keep in mind that you might only be able to delete messages you sent yourself, depending on your workspace's settings. If you don't see the delete option, it's likely that your permissions or your organization's message retention policies limit deletions. Also remember that deleting a message removes it for everyone in that conversation. So take a moment to be sure before you confirm. Now, beyond deleting individual messages, it's helpful to tidy up your workspace so conversations stay focused and easy to navigate. One effective way to do this is to archive channels that are no longer active. Archiving preserves the channel's history for reference but prevents new posts, keeping your channel list lean and relevant. If you only need to reduce your own noise without affecting others, consider leaving channels you don't need to follow anymore. Leaving a channel simply removes it from your personal list while the channel remains available to everyone else who needs it. Archiving is best when a project is complete or a topic is no longer needed. Leaving is best when the channel is still useful to others but not to you. While you're reviewing channels, take a moment to check that each channel's topic and purpose clearly explain what it's for. A precise topic sets expectations and helps newcomers instantly understand the conversation. The purpose field can capture the broader goal or how the channel should be used. This quick refresh saves time and reduces miscommunication down the line. Finally, look through pinned items in important channels. Pins are a simple way to keep key messages, files, or links visible so people don't have to hunt for them. Remove pins that are outdated and add pins for current resources like guidelines, templates, or bishimosas, or meeting notes. Keeping these elements accurate turns your channels into reliable hubs of information. That's it. Delete unneeded messages, archive, or leave channels that no longer serve you, and keep topics, purposes, and pins current. With these small habits, your Slack stays organized, efficient, and easy for everyone to use.